In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform an oil change on your Toyota Tundra. Remove the oil fill cap and pull the dipstick up. Now we'll put the vehicle up and drain the oil. Using a 12mm socket, remove the 3 bolts in the rear of the skid plate. There's one here, there should be one here, and one more here. We only have this one. Same thing in the front, there should be another 3. 2 of ours are broke, and we only have 1. Remove this one. There's little hooks on the back of the skid plate that'll hold it up. Tilt up, push up, and then pull back and remove the skid plate. Using a 14mm socket, remove the oil drain plug. Make sure you have a collection bucket under this before you take it out. Remove the old gasket from the drain plug, and before installing the plug, install a new one. When the oil is done draining, reinstall the drain plug with your new gasket. Snug it down. Torque the drain plug to 28 foot-pounds. Using a pair of oil filter pliers, we're going to remove the oil filter. Let all of the oil drain out. While that's happening, take a bit of clean engine oil and wipe it around the outside gasket and on the inside threads. And I'll wipe it down and then install the new filter. Install the skid plate. There's 2 hooks that'll hook into this front cross beam. There should be 6 bolts holding this on, 3 in the front and then 3 in the rear. We only have 2 bolts. The other 3 in the back should be in this hole here, 1 in here, and then the 3rd in here. We're going to fill the vehicle to the recommended specification. On the 4.7 liter V8, it's going to take 6.6 quarts of 5W30. Once you're done filling the oil, reinstall the oil cap. You're going to push the dipstick down, pull it out, give it a wipe the first time, reinsert it, pull it out, and we're going to make sure that our oil is in between these 2 dots. Once you know that your capacity is in between those 2 dots, put the dipstick back in, close the hood, and then you're ready to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.